Hello there guys, just a quick little video. 458 GTE for Thrustmaster. It's noisy. Like when you're gonna turn and drive, it's rattling. I don't know if it's just my product here or is everyone's. And also I find these, you have to press them quite long until they click. You see? So what I did, as you can see here, I put some electrical tape here, so it's instant. And also it doesn't rattle then when you hold it. And now it's quiet. So this one is quiet. I'm gonna do the same with this. So what you do is you just take some electrical tape, which I think is really useful, along with, you know, regular silver tape or duct tape, and you just pile them up. So now it's totally quiet, no more rattling, and it's instant click, just like the old wheel which I have here. Here's the old wheel. This one is also kind of instant, but I don't like these pedals here because they're quite small if you compare them. These ones are bigger, and also you have button here on the bottom, which is the same button as these two on the servo. These are the same as these ones on behind. And so when you press this, sometimes you slip and you press this. That's annoying. And also I don't know if you can see this. This wheel is a lot thicker or more deep, you see, so it sticks out more from the servo. On the bottom there you have that screw. I don't know if you can see, but I glued in a nut on the inside there, because the regular nut, which is there, is rounded, it's broken. So I couldn't use the mount. Now I have it hard mounted here, drilled a couple of holes. So what I did, I opened up the wheel, took off first the top, and then take off the front here. There is a top casing, there is a front casing, and the bottom one which the servo is connected to. So you don't have to remove all the screws in the bottom, because most of them hold together the servo base. There's a video I can link in the description showing how to remove and service your Thrustmaster. But I mostly open it up to tighten the wheel here, which is here. I don't know if you can see that. I tighten up the motor a little bit, just a tiny bit, not too much, because then you will feel even more notchiness. But now it's really smooth here together with this new wheel. Because it's heavier, it sort of removes the cogginess. So even though this is second hand, it was in great condition inside. I even put some oil in the mechanism there to make it even more smoother. But yeah, I didn't want to mess with it too much. But so here I super glued an extra nut in there. So now the regular clamping mounting works. I first put super glue, then I put some more thicker, different type of glue on top of that around the nut. I wish I could again show you the inside, but I can't. But you should be able to see the extra nut in there. It's a little bit more silvery. So now I can. You're gonna make sure you line it up, because it kind of catches on the old one and then it doesn't line up with the new one. So line it up before you glue it. But you see, I lined it up, so now it's catching on the new one, and it's there, you know, it's strong. It should work. You just have to use a lot of super glue or a lot of another type of glue. Super glue from Loctite, and superfix from Casco, I think it's called. So that's it. Just a quick video. Now it's quiet, the rattling is from my table. These feel a lot better.
You don't have to use electrical tape, you can use some other tape, or if you can find something else to stick in there that sticks.